Hey guys, so today we're gonna show you our physics project. Basically, we have three different motors, which are all based off of magnetism, and they're all electric motors. The first project we're gonna show you is called a homopolar motor. This is where we connect these magnets called neodymium or rare earth magnets to a battery. And this creates a magnetic field around this battery, and we take advantage of this by putting this heart-shaped coil around the battery, which will spin and rotate immensely. Our second project is another motor called an AC motor, and this motor is where we create this circular coil, which you can do by spinning a wire around the battery itself and tying it around and making a coil. And you basically need paper clips and other such materials, and the coil will eventually spin because of the neodymium magnets once again. And our last project is another homopolar motor. This one's really cool in that where we use neodymium magnets and attach it to a battery, and the screw that is attached to it will spin, and this will also cause these lights which we attach to the screw to spin, creating a lot of rotating lights which will look really cool, which you'll see in a while.
Alright class, so this is our very first motor. It is known as a homopolar motor, and it consists of three basic materials. You first have your AA battery, your rare earth magnets, or neodymium magnets, and here we have 5 of them to increase the magnetism. And here we have a bare copper wire coil. Now you're going to have to construct this so that this top of the copper wire coil will hit the minus side of the battery, and that this will wrap around well in the plus side with the magnets on the bottom. Now to demonstrate, we'll take our rare neodymium earth magnets, position them on the bottom, the plus side, set it like so, and then take your bare copper wire coil and wrap it around and delicately place it. In about a while, if you wait a while, it should pick up speed and really start moving. And there you have it, homopolar magnet.
Alright, so guys, today as the second part of our physics project, we're going to show you how to build an AC motor, or also called an alternate current electric motor. So for this project, here are your basic materials. First of all, you'll need neodymium magnets, or rare earth magnets once again, just like the previous part of our project. Also, another thing you'll need are 2 pieces of bare copper wire, each about a foot long each. And also you'll need insulated copper wire, and this you can twist around the battery to form a coil like this, which will spin in your motor. And also, in order to cut the wire and everything, you'll need scissors. And here are your basic materials. Alright, so guys, here's the finished product of the motor. Another thing you need to do with this coil is put a Sharpie marker on one side of both of the bare wire edges, which are peeled off like so. And this will basically, when your coil is spinning, it'll stop the magnetic field from getting to the wire in certain parts, which will keep your motor spinning. So basically what you need to do is put the coil like so, and then insert your your battery, and then put your magnet in, and then spin it. Like this, and it'll just keep spinning. And see, you can tell that it's due to the magnet, because once I remove this, it stops spinning. But then if I put it back and rotate it once again, it'll start spinning again. And yeah, guys, this is basically another form of the electric motor which was shown before, except this is called an AC motor. Hey guys, so as our last part of our physics project, we're going to be building another type of motor called a homopolar motor, which is actually the same thing as we built in the first part, except this will create a really cool effect. So first, basically what you do is you take this screw, just a regular 1-inch screw, and the neodymium magnets once again, and they'll attach together obviously, and this creates a very strong bond between them. And since the magnets are connected to the screw, this will make the screw temporarily a magnet. So you just attach the screw to the battery and it connects like so. And then what happens is, since they're all metals, they all can conduct electricity. So you take this copper wire, put it on top, and then just connect this wire to the magnets, and it'll make them spin very, very fast. The screw spins very fast, like so. So now what we want to do is create an even cooler thing with this. Basically, we'll create a really cool light show. So now basically the effect we want to create is this really cool light show. So basically you take these LED lights, these light emitting diodes, and you connect it to the battery like this. It's just your regular 3-volt battery. You should find them in most hardware stores. So connect it like this. And if you connect it the other way, it doesn't work. So there's only one way you can connect it, like that. And then you take the other one and do the same thing. You can see, like this. And then you basically just connect it to the end of the screw like that, and it stays constant, and the lights will stick to the battery because of the magnetism. So now you connect the screw to the battery once again, and then you take the copper wire, and can you turn off the light so they can see this? So basically you take the copper wire, and then you touch it to the magnet once again, and you create a really cool light show. Like this. And that's just about it. It's really simple, but it's really, really cool, and you can create some really cool lights with this.